I've got this question with me right here, of which I would like to help you understand on how to find the partial derivative. So my advice is that try to watch my example number one on partial derivative if you have not done so. And if you have done so, if it's fine, you're okay. Okay. So here, the partial derivative, like I said in my previous example, is denoted by this symbol here. So it's almost similar to finding the derivative, if you are finding the derivative of this with respect to x. But instead of writing this, you just bend it like that to show that it's partial derivative. Now, what happens with partial derivative? If you are respecting x, in this case, we are respecting x right here out of this function. You see that where x is right here, okay? So the sign here will be treated as a constant. Don't do anything to it, okay? Your only duty is to differentiate where x is. So x is at cos 4x. So when you differentiate this one, you get something like this: negative 4 sine 4x sine 6y. This is the derivative or the partial derivative, okay, with respect to x. So now, how did I know, or how did I find this? Let me just try to break it down. So you get your cos 4x. This one, our focus is right here because we are respecting x. The sine 6y will be treated as a constant. So you can get this. So maybe you call this as whichever name you want to call this function. And now differentiate it, okay? When you differentiate this with respect to x, you let, okay? So you let 4x is equal to u, or you let u be equal to 4x. So once you do this, where there is 4x right here, put a u, because we are saying uh, this is equal to u. So now you can differentiate this. When you differentiate, if you know differentiating trig functions, cos u or cos anything will be equal to negative sign that thing. So it's negative sign u, like I've put here. So once you get this, you can now go to this part here, differentiate it also with respect to whatever letter is right here. So it's x. So when you find the derivative of 4x, which is just a 4, come and multiply it. You multiply it with the function you found. So it will be 4, negative 4 sine u. So now on u, since you've done this, you bring back the what u means. So u means 4x. So put it back like that. So this is how I found this. This one, just get it the way it is. Put it back just like that. Okay. So now let's try to respect y. We are respecting x. So when respecting y, this is one of the solutions. So the other solution, you respect y. So how are we getting to know which letter are we respecting? The one which, so for example here, there's x, so we are respecting x. There is y here, we are respecting y. So for y, the solution will look like this. So this is the function we are finding its derivative, a partial derivative. So with respect to y, you check where y is right here. So our focus will be on this one here. So we'll get a 6 outside cos 6y, okay, here. And we have cos 4x. I started with this. You can either start with this and then end with this, whichever order you want. If you want, you can write it like this, or if you want, you can write 6 from here and then copy the cos 4x. Here, the derivative of cos is cos. The derivative of sine is cos with what is right here. So this 6 is coming from here, okay? This is our solution. All right. So if you are in university or college doing mathematics and that's doing calculus and you need help from me, you can get in touch with me through my WhatsApp number right here. This is a WhatsApp number. You definitely get in touch with me. Okay. You just send me a message and we can discuss on how we can help each other. Okay. Bye bye.